Number 10 on the list is Superman Lost Issue number 1. This book is the big time collectibles edition with its gorgeous cover. Currently, there are 426 copies of this comic on the census, with 9 9.9s and 408 9.8s. The remainder of the books are either a 9.6 or 8.5. The 9.8 has a 30-day average value of $109. Number 9 is another Superman book. This one, Superman 1, also from Big Time Collectibles. But this one is the Blue Edition, published in February of this year. There are currently 396 copies of this comic on the census, with 127 9.9s and 266 9.8s and just 3 9.6s. The 9.9 has a 30-day average value of $416 versus the 9.8 at just $205. Number 7 on the list, Superman issue number 1, also from Big Time Collectibles, but this one is the Platinum Edition. There are currently 506 total copies on the census. 2 of those copies are 9.9s, 2 are 9.6s, and the remainder, 502 copies, are a 9.8, which has a 30-day average value of $142.